called? What is that called? Is that what? Sprinkles din na.
Sprinkles.
Kasi ganyan nga sprinkles na.
Buy it at the store.
Did you buy it from the store?
Yeah.
Whose money? Kisang kwarta?
Papa.
Papa?
Papa's rich.
Papa is rich? Wow! Give me money.
Tito, I don't have money.
Do you have money? Give me.
I don't have
You are the
money.
one to give me because you are rich. Give me money. Give me money.
Papa.
Give me money.
Tito, you're rich.
Give me money.
Tito, you have money.
Give me money.
Tito, you have money.
Give me money. Give me money.
Tito, Mike.
Yes. Give me money.